Guess we can call this an experimental X-plane.
Okay, what's your name?
Jim Schilling.
Hey, Jim.
How you doing?
This is a cool machine you got going here.
Thank you.
It's like a little mini helicopter type machine.
Well, it's known as an Autogiro, which was invented in the early 1900s. This particular body style was invented by Igor Benson. This is actually a type of Benson configuration called a KB3. This particular kit was invented by Ken Brock in California. I bought this partially assembled and completely disassembled it and pretty much customized the whole thing. It used to run off a Rotax 582 jet ski type motor, 2-cycle. I got tired of that conking out in midair, so I put on this car motor. It's a Geo Metro 3-cylinder car engine.
Wow, pretty cool.
A lot more reliable. You get about twice the fuel economy, about 10 times less noise, much less vibration, and a lot more reliability.
So you were saying that this gyro is pretty much unpowered.
The top rotor blade is unpowered. It just rides on a double raced bearing. I could demonstrate the spinning blades for you if you like.
That'd be great. Thank you very much.
You got to stand back.
Okay.
These blades can be very dangerous.
Yes, they're kind of low.
If they hit you in the head,
It could take it off.
it would take your head clean off. No problem. Gradually speed up. Once I get it above 100 RPM or so, I can let the blades go back because they're pretty rigid. Point it into the wind. And I don't know if you can hear it, but they'll start to accelerate.
I hear it. They're accelerating.
Blades are about 200 RPM right now.
You said you need like about 400 RPM for it to lift, right?
Approximately between 450 and 480 RPM to get it off the ground. Now, on a really windy day, you get a 20-mile-per-hour wind or so. If I'm not sitting on it, it'll take off all by itself and flip over.
Wow.
And it'll just spin until the wind stops. You can have as little as a 2-mile-per-hour wind, and it'll never stop. It'll just keep spinning and spinning. Just starting to speed up right now. We'll get you a good breeze. We're about 230 RPM right now. With this wind, that's about as fast as it's going to get. So I pitch the blades forward, and I apply the rotor brake.
Almost looks dangerous.
It is. Very dangerous. That's part of the fun. It takes a while for them to stop because once they start moving, the momentum built up in the blades, they don't want to stop.